Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has pushed higher. That was not unexpected. We've now reached the 2664 level, and yeah, I mean the wave count is now really full. But as I mentioned yesterday, until Bitcoin confirms the top, it is unlikely that Ethereum will form a top. But even if we break above resistance here, it is far away. It's far from bullish, okay? Because this could just be a larger three-wave rally that unfolds. We really need these 5 waves completed for a really good bullish setup and for confirmation that here on the 5th of August a substantial low has formed. What we've done now, we're tracking that bullish scenario, but along the way a lot of things can go wrong. So for example, in the yellow scenario, we're watching for an A, B, C structure, and I highlighted to you to really consider something more bullish. I need a break above 2694, but that would possibly shift the probabilities towards the white count a little bit. But still, we need that third wave complete, and we need to see if it can hold a higher low in wave 4 and then rally in wave 5. Well, then we have 5 waves. There will always be support areas along the way, which is why I gave you here this support area down there, mid-September, that provided an opportunity for anybody who was looking for possibly a rally into resistance. Now we are there. All I'm saying now is risk is high, but I cannot confirm a top. In fact, actually, yesterday we were still watching for another high into the region between 2664 and 2694. Late yesterday, I posted one of the updates to our gold members here on Discord, which was this one. You can see that the price had just formed a higher low in wave 4, and we were watching for another move up to that 2664 area. And my communication was, due to how the price developed over the weekend, I assumed that the price top that formed today, so yesterday, was part of a still unfolding wave 4. One more high is likely. So pretty much that this top that formed on Sunday and which reached 2624. So you see how well it actually reacts to these Fibonacci levels. So we reached here the 1.38 extension on Sunday, but I consider that this was only a high B wave. It was a 3-wave move, but it's difficult to say if, that could have been the top of wave 5. Okay, I think, this could have been the top of wave 5. We talked about that in yesterday's video, but obviously I provide some more updates when things are changing on Discord. But I said to you as well yesterday in the video, until Bitcoin forms a top, further upside is likely, and we cannot confirm a top on the Ethereum chart. It's unlikely that Ethereum will form a top, and the Bitcoin chart is a little bit better to read and still allows for more upside. So yeah, I will not rule out that also Ethereum pushes a bit higher. It would not be surprising, but we have to take it level by level. I mean, at the moment, a break below that Sunday low, so the overnight low pretty much, at 2530 is needed minimally to get an indication that a top is formed. Okay, against that level, you could still focus on higher if you want to, of course, but now we've obviously reached a key resistance area, but without strong rejection. So the upside momentum is still there. We're still forming higher highs and higher lows, but a decent pullback is now due at some point, and if that is the C wave down that can take us to 1800 or not, we will have to see. It's too early to confirm that. I mean, all I'm saying is the risk is high now because we are far away from support. We're even far away from that last swing low here that happened yesterday, and we are deep in resistance. So how would it look like if we stretch out further to the upside? Now, if this really is white wave 3, then this could easily stretch a bit higher. Even a B wave can go a bit higher. I mean, invalidation for that B wave is here, 2820. That's the invalidation point. That's the wave 4 high. But see, there's nothing stopping the market to just form a larger A, B, C, and then break down, which is why it is so important to track the support levels along the way at every step of the journey. I'm doing that for you, but also for confidence that really a long-term low has been struck in August, to watch for these 5 waves first. It can always be a larger ABC. It can always be, what if this move down is like a WXY structure and this is like an A wave, a B wave, and then we go down in wave C. Yeah. So all I'm saying is be on high alert. The rally here definitely doesn't look impulsive, but above the pivot here, above 2,694, we have to consider other options. It's then less likely a B wave in yellow. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.